Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving combinations with certain conditions. Let's look at example number 1. A football team is made up of 17 local players and 3 foreign players. A coach wants to select 11 key players to compete in a match by including 2 foreign players. Find the number of ways to select these 11 players. So first we have 70 local and 3 foreign. And then we're going to select 11 key players in total, but must include 2 foreign players. So we have 3 foreign players and then we C2, choose 2. So it will be 3C2 and then times with, so local players we have 70 local, so 17C. So how many local we have to choose? We use 11 minus 2, we get 9. And total is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11 players. So equals to, so now we have to work it out. So 3C2 is 3 factorial over 2 factorial times with 3 minus 2 whole thing factorial, then times with 17 factorial over 9 factorial times with 17 minus 9 whole thing factorial. And then we use the calculator, we'll get 3 and then times with 24,310 and the answer is 72,930 ways. Now let's look at example number 2. Injik Samad wants to choose 3 types of batik motifs from 4 organic motifs and 5 geometrical motifs. So find the number of ways to choose at least 1 organic motif and 1 geometrical motif. So total will be 3 types, okay? So if it's 1 organic motif, then we need 2 geometrical motifs, okay? And if it's 2 organic motifs, then it will be 1 geometrical motifs. So for this, okay, for 1 organic motif plus 2 geometrical motifs, it will be, so we have 4 organic motifs, 4 here, so it'll be 4C1, okay, and then times with 5 geometrical motif, so it'll be 5C2, okay, and then as for 2 organic motif, it will be 4C2, and then times with 5C1. And then we plus them together. So our working will be 4C1 times 5C2. Okay, we get this answer. And then we plus with 4C2 times with 5C1. Okay, and then we get the answer. Okay, so this one, 4C1 times 5C2 is 4 times 10. And then we plus with, so 4C2 is 6. And then 5C1 is 5. So it will be 40 plus 30. And the answer is 70 ways.